So, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is a new video on our interview experiences series. So today we'll be talking about interview experience of Informatica, which Somit had recently cracked, and he was also, Infathon topper. So all over India. So without wasting time, let's get started, guys. So, hey Somit, so let start with your brief introduction. Okay, so
Yeah,
okay, let me start. So, guys, Somit is a pro coder, 5 star on CodeSafe, most probably it's red on Code Forces,
no.
and
I'm an expert.
okay, and he has also, he was an Infathon topper, which was all over India. So he was ranked one all over India, and he's also my batchmate. So yeah, Sumit, let's continue.
Yeah, sure. So, my name is Shomit Shah, as told by Shubham. So, I study in Technomin Solid, and I have started as a software developer intern in research in Informatica. So, yeah, that's my brief introduction.
Okay, okay, Sumit. So let's start with like how did you started with your competitive coding? Like 5 star
So,
in CodeSafe is still a dream for many people in India, right? So
yeah,
like
so
how did it start?
So yeah, it all started on my first semesters. I remember I was having a brief, like not a brief. It was a very long vacation from my 12th pass out to till my college. So I was kind of boring. I was thinking of
Yeah.
what to do a revolutionary work in my life. So at that time, I joined my college, and it was August 1st. I wrote my first program in C Codeship. I still remember the day. It
Okay.
was my seniors who basically told one day that you can just go to sites like codeship.com or like codeforces.com. At
Code
that time,
Forces. Yeah.
yeah. So that time, codeship.com was the first site they told, and I was like, okay, I will start and I will like do things from codeship.com only. So yeah, I started from then. I started with practice, but uh, things were very slow at that time. Like I then also did things from hacker.com, and things were not that much. Yeah, I used to enjoy. I that time I didn't had any aim with CP. I was like only wanted to enjoy my score.
Okay. Yeah.
So things became more when I first time lost the ICBC. I was also with Shubham in that group.
Yeah.
So the
Yeah.
day I lost ICBC, I was like, I I thought too much. Like I thought, yeah, I might be a good coder, but at that time, I kind of compared myself throughout the rest of the like pro coders in India. So that time, like my life changed a lot. Like I thought, like okay, you stand here. The next time you come to ICPC, you should be like you should be prepared enough, to handle things like that. So yeah,
Yeah.
after that, I remember the lockdown came and it helped me a lot. So
Yeah,
December
yeah. Lockdown has
2019.
helped a lot for people to develop their skills. Like we get a lot of free time, right? So yeah.
Yeah, so that actually played a big role in my life. Like I remember from December 2019 till March 2020, I was not that getting enough space to improve myself. Then after December 2020, like sorry, March
March. Yeah.
2020, yeah,
Yeah.
I get a lot of time and I like did competitive programming for cracking companies, but it was all about that ICPC that I wanted to have on with. Like I
Okay.
wanted to
And
like
and and you had it this year. Okay.
yeah,
You had
I
that.
like I
Yeah.
went like it was a tense moment, but yeah, I cleared it and I went to the regionals and
Okay. 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 So miss. So starting with the Infathon. So can you tell me like how the Infathon, like what was the process and how did it go?
yeah, sure.
Like how
So
did it? Yeah. How did you
yeah,
get
sure.
first rank in India, all over India?
So it's like two, three things matter. Like I remember, like if you are to follow the steps for at least to apply in Python comes nearly around Jan first from Jan first to
January. Yeah.
middle Jan. If you are in if you want to like have fun with Infathon, just check up the sites, keep in contact with Google, like when is it going to happen, when is it going to happen, and just register in online. From my part, it was a call. Like I remember my coordinator sent a link like Infathon is happening. You guys can participate into it, and I was
Can
like,
participate.
yeah. So at that time, I like participated. And
Let's give it a try. Yeah.
hello.
Let's give it a try. Hello.
Yeah,
Hey,
yeah,
you
yeah.
thought like when the link came,
Yeah,
you were like,
yeah. I
let's
was
give it a
like,
try.
okay, let's see what's happened because prior to that, if you talk about companies, I've given some tests in many companies coding tests, and all those were a failure. So yeah, I was like, okay, चलो एक और दे देते हैं, क्या फर्क पड़ेगा. So and then I gave it. The first round was not that much up to my mark because I knew I have done a wrong in a sum. Like it was a 1 hour. I had 3 questions. One was 1 hour, one was half an hour, and
Half an
another
hour,
was on
and
half an hour.
third was half an hour.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So and you cannot skip. And the main things about Infathon was like you don't have a checker with you, so you don't know whether your solution is right or wrong. So you have to like,
Not wrong.
okay, if I am submitting, I know like this has to be a right submission. Otherwise, I don't know what is going to happen. Like you have to test it manually by yourself. But yeah, I like qualified in the first round. I went into the second round, and going to the second round, I made myself clear. Okay, so you are not going to make any mistake. Take your time. There was no time limit for the second round. Like you can give it, and there was no checker also again. And you have to like once you solve the
That
problem,
was
you
a
have to,
very bad part, there was no checker. Like
yeah, that's
you
actually
know,
that's a, yeah, you are right. Actually, that's a very like strange part. You don't have a checker with you, but it's again like like if
it's
you are
again a
prepared,
test.
yeah, it's a like again a test. And if you're prepared yourself with like getting correct ACs, you know how to debug problems at a like preparing brute force codes and like preparing them with the checker. So it has to it's a game, it's a gamble game basically, and you have to be very much sure again. So yeah, I did it. Like there was 2 problems, each you can take as much time as you want, and you have to actually explain after you finish it. And there was 2 problems, and there was also an interview. Like you will be given like a kind of question which you have to like say upon. Like I was told to tell about my database skills, which were not that much good. So, however, I told it, and when I know, like 2 weeks later, the results came upon, and they told that I have topped in India. And the main part I can tip you about in Python is like they don't want you to have 100% right code. Like if you want to be a topper, don't make like you don't have a checker with you, so you also won't know how much right is your code. Don't go with the time also. Just gamble like this. Like okay, the time is, if you can finish it with 15 minutes, take 30 minutes. Take 30 minutes and try to like do proper indentation, do proper documentation. That I did. Like I did a very good documentation. I like you should like they uh, like like the manager told me that they were very happy upon my coding documentation that I gave. Like not coding documentation, the coding style that I followed in Java. So I made classes, I used oops kind of concepts like that. So that kind of helped me a lot to cancel out like a good amount of competition that was. And Java helped me a lot. Like people does many things in CPP. CPP is good. It's no doubt it's good. It's like it's very good in performance.
But you are a Java person.
Yeah, I am a Java person. So I like it happened to me like Java played a better role over here. Like I think upon my winning part, Java had a very good like hand because
Impressive,
they like Informatica works in Java, so it helped me a lot.
Okay. And so continuing with that, so like how did it felt to be topper in all over India? Like you must have told your parents and all those things. So like
No,
what was that feeling?
I never told my father, but apart from my father, everybody knew that something is going to happen from 1 to 10 because they told like 1 to 10 are these guys. We won't disguise their rankings. We will be like kind of what happens in Google Code Jam or like those, like you are called upon a meeting and then they declare the first, second, thirds. So that pretty happened like that. So I also never knew, and I was like, when like literally everyone went away, and I was like, when the when second was declared, like this guy is the second. So I was like, oh, then I'm the top. So, yeah,
Okay.
it felt
Okay.
very good.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So with continuing from that, so like when the interview process started, right? So like how was it? Like what were the rounds? Like
Yeah. So
just in a brief, like.
yeah, the first two like since I won in Python, so they promised me an internship. Like I can directly give a technical internship, and only one technical internship is will like they will only take one technical, sorry, not technical internship, technical interview, and I will be like based upon that interview. I do
Yeah.
not like normally in Informatica have three technical rounds and one HR round. So I did not need to give any rounds of that. Happened in around first week of April, and the questions were like I was a bit tensed, but I was like, okay, jo hoga dikha jayega. End of the day, I'm the topper. I was a bit relaxed. Like might be things
Yeah, of
not
course.
go that much bad for me, and I
Yeah.
like yeah. It started at that time. I wasn't I was in my fifth semester. Yeah, so I did not had my OS and DBMS, DBMS and networking ready. I did not had it in my coursework. So before they start, like they asked me, what are the things like, do you know DBMS and networking? So I told like, no, this is not. So they were okay, feel relaxed, that's okay. So what they asked me a lot was upon my OS. Like since DBMS and networking was not there, they asked me a lot on OS. I was like asked to code a thing in Java about OS, like thread management. They asked me to code it in
Okay.
Java. I did code it, and like I did like fumbled a bit like with the syntaxes, but he helped me a lot, like my
Okay.
interviewer. So and they asked me data structures
Okay.
and algorithms upon, like they asked me what do you know. So when I told them, they are like they
That is
told
your part. Data structures and algorithms is in your hand, right?
yeah
Data
that
structure and algorithm is in your hand. So you were like, that is my area. Like you can come
yeah. So
inside. I'm
yeah,
free to answer all your
first he
questions.
yeah, first he asked
Okay.
OS.
So
So I was like okay. But then he told asked me like do you know TS algo? So I was like yeah. अब आ जाओ. Like I was pretty confident that I will be able to clear the DSL.
okay.
Right. Was good.
Okay. Okay. So yeah. So in your interview, did they ask about projects? Like what
Yeah.
are the
And the
projects which you
first
have
was
done? Like, did they
yeah.
give importance to your projects?
Like I did a project upon ration distribution system on supply chain management. So the first was first question they asked in my entire interview was tell me brief me about your projects that you did, and I told like I have made a paint application. I briefed them about that. So there was okay. They asked me. I also told my future scopes. Then they went to ration distribution system. They asked some part. I gave some answers, and this told me some part which I did not like implement it. Like there was a group that was implementing that
Okay.
entirely. And since I've won a Macathon, that like kind of helped me because previously like they were like okay, he knows some part of development, so it helped me a lot. So yeah, they asked me about projects, like when they give tips like you should do like this, you should do your project like how you should manage your database systems, and they even gave tips.
Okay. So that was your means like it was a short interview, I guess. Like as
No,
per
it
your
was a
experience.
1.5 hours interview.
Was it of 1 hour?
No, it was a 1.5 hours.
Okay. So in 1.5 hours. Okay. So in 1.5 hours, they asked you only data structures and algorithms.
No.
And
They
rather than
first
OS and your project.
no at first 5 minutes. I know 5 to 7 minutes. I have told about my like they are told asked me to tell about myself. I told them, briefed them about myself. Then they told about asked me about projects, which might have gone till another 15 minutes. Entirely projects and all those stuffs. Then they moved to OS, which went pretty like long. I think 15 minutes, and then they moved to like yeah DS algo, which went for another half an hour, I guess. and then they told me to do an OS code, which has gone till 15 minutes or like 10-20 minutes like this. And then they asked me about what I'm doing currently. They asked me questions about that also. Like I told them that I'm studying about algorithms like Chinese New Inventor Theorem, CRT, or the latest algorithms. So they asked me what it has applications in real life or like this. So they
Okay.
make sure that you are not like a fake neither. So
Okay. 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 So, so after your, the technical interview was cleared. So after that, what was the further process?
yeah, once my technical interview was cleared, I got my results in 5 days. They told that you are selected, and yeah, it was
That
all.
was pretty much given. Like you were India topper, man. How come they could reject it? Okay, so after that, there were no HR rounds.
No, there was no chance. Like since I was like going from
Okay,
through Infathon, and I was one of the top 10, like I like for top 10 of Infathon. So they promised like the top 10 will get an internship opportunity in Informatica. So as a result, they kind of took only
okay,
10 technical.
okay. So did others have the HR round, like other candidates who were appearing?
From my college, since everybody like we were four, and all the four were kind of going through Infathon. So only everybody had only one technical round. But yes, I asked my friends from other colleges. They had pretty numerous number of rounds. They had coding rounds before that. They had like all the rounds that Informatica normally.
Okay, okay. Okay, so much. So yeah, so so what do you think? Like, how much what was the importance of competitive coding and data structures and algorithms on your getting the opportunity from Informatica? Like, what was the importance of data structures, algorithms, and your competitive programming, code safe ranks, and all such things?
If you tell about Informatica only, I will say Informatica, like since my DS algo was very clear, only not only DS algo will help you, but also your college performance. Upon like they also do see your college performance. They have a look like what you were doing in your college, why
Okay.
your results are like this, and how much what like this scan through your entire college life. They see they ask you questions upon OS, they ask you questions about DBMS networking. Yeah, DS algo is the fundamental. Like if you have DS algo in your life, like you should be knowing it at a very good level. Like you are supposed to know it. And I think not 5-star was needed, but yeah, rated like 1800 to 1900 was enough for you to have a shot at Informatica. Like not everybody in Informatica are 5-star coders or like this. So yeah, if you are good
Yeah.
upon if you don't do upon CPU also, if you're good upon data structures and algorithms, you know how to implement them, how to like rationalize them, it's enough. Like
Okay. 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 So yeah. So like, did your internship start there at Informatica? I
yeah,
guess
can you
yes,
repeat?
right? Your internship has started at Informatica, right?
Yeah. So it
So
no, it is going to start at like it is it I my joining was delayed because of my college.
exams. Yeah.
Yeah, so it will be starting. I have
Okay.
been briefed by my HR, so it will be starting
Okay.
from Monday.
Okay. So like, any tips and tricks which you want to give to our viewers right now, like who are preparing for Informatica right now, like
Yeah,
anything.
sure. So anybody who is preparing for the informatical, I will say the first be good upon your like make sure you don't have backlogs. That is the fundamental thing. They will like
Yeah.
not entertain backlogs at all. Like they don't, because they want like people who are good at they are offering you a post
Academics.
on research, yeah, academics. So what try to avoid from backlog. Even if you have a good GPA, if Informatica is going to come to your campus, they want a good GPA because they want a GPA around 8.5 plus because of the current, you are in online, so 8.5 or at least 8.5, try to maintain that. Next is your like college coursework, like they will be asking you OS, DBMS, and networking. Be sure you are good handy with that. Like study. I'm not telling you have to be too good on those things, but you should be well acquainted with those subjects. And the third last comes is DSRGO. Yeah, you have to be very much good with DSRGO, like at a very good standard level. I'm not telling you have to be a very good rated some people, but yeah, a good like you should know how to implement DSRGOs and data structures and algorithms at a very good level. So standard things will work.
Okay, okay. So I guess that was pretty much about your, internships from your college life, from to 5-star code safe to Informatica. So that was it, I guess. So thank you guys for watching this video. And if you like this video and if you have learned anything from great so Miss Saha, so please like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. So thank you so much. Thank you for your
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.